Hello, my loves. I'm back again with another mouth-watering weight loss recipe. Okay, even though you're trying to lose weight, we should also eat good, right? Today, I will be focusing on breakfast. I'm going to show you how to make a high protein, veggies packed breakfast meal that you can prepare ahead of time and enjoy throughout the week. Eating a healthy breakfast is crucial for weight loss and overall well-being. And with this recipe, you won't have to sacrifice taste for nutrition. Okay, right now I'm preparing my veggies: tomatoes, carrot, cucumber, celery, onions. Oh my god, guys, like the vegetable chopper is a lifesaver. See how fast I'm chopping my vegetables. See how easy and time saving it is. It was the last one in the shop that day and I got it. I've used it for about 3 years now and it's still very okay. Guys, you could always add or switch any veggies of your choice. It could be cauliflower, it could be broccoli, it could be kale, it could be spinach, mushrooms, any veggies of your choice. They will all work perfectly. Right now, I'm grating my garlic and ginger. It's time for us to crack open our eggs, okay? I needed 12 eggs, but I only have 9. So I have to make do with what I have. Now it's time for me to bring together all my veggies, okay? If you're using other veggies like mushroom, broccoli, cauliflower, I'll advise you use a steamer to quick steam your veggies first, okay? But I won't be doing that, okay? I still want some of that crunchiness at the end, so I'll just bake mine directly, okay? goes my garlic and ginger. I'm adding a pinch of salt, some Maggi cube, you don't want to use too much, okay? Remember, our goal here is to lose some weight, okay? Too much Maggi and salt won't help us. And some pepper. I like it a little bit spicy. In goes my black pepper, white pepper, and some paprika. I added a little milk to my egg, okay? You can add up to a glass if you want, but I'm being very drastic because my system is so slow, okay? I need drastic measures to lose this weight, so just a little fat, just a little, okay? So I'm adding my egg to my mixed veggies. My whisk wasn't whisking. I don't know what is wrong with the whisk. It's really bad. Stir so that everything can incorporate well. I'm using a glass pan that I'm going to coat with a little bit of coconut oil. You could use butter or cooking spray to have a little bit of flavor, but like I said, I'm taking drastic measures, so no butter. I'm just gonna use my coconut oil. I prefer my coconut oil. Oh guys, I forgot. Make sure you leave some of the cucumber so you can decorate when you're through mixing everything. See how that looks? So good. I already preheated my oven. So in goes my egg mix. Ready to cook that goodness. After 30 to 40 minutes, oh my god, do you hear the sound? Looks so nice, so beautiful, perfectly cooked, and I'm sure it is good. Oh, and you may add some cheese if you like. While mixing your veggies, you may add cheese, but for me, I'm doing it without the cheese. So because I'm making this for meal prep, I'm just going to cut it into pieces and put it in an airtight container so I'm ready to grab and go. Oh, and there you have it. I'm just going to enjoy that every day with some green tea, okay, and lemon. So if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. for the love and support. And please do not forget to like and subscribe. See you.
Girl, get in position if you're ready for love.